Moving on to another story we're tracking this morning. After Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh may become the second state to have a law against love jihad. The MP cabinet will discuss the anti-love jihad bill draft today, while Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chouhan will be heading the meeting. MP Home Minister Narottam Mishra has said that the proposal draft contains provisions which are not there in laws being enacted by other states. He added that in the case of a divorce, maintenance must be given and the person who conducts such a marriage will also be punished. Last month, Uttar Pradesh had passed the anti-love jihad law to curb forcible religious conversions of marriage. And listen in to what Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chouhan as well as Home Minister Narottam Mishra had earlier said about the issue of love jihad and the possibility of bringing in a law.
मध्य प्रदेश में भी शिवराज सरकार इस लेकर कोई विचार कर रही है।
लव के नाम पर कोई जिहाद नहीं होगा और कोई ये हरकत करेगा तो ठीक कर दिया जाएगा और उसके लिए कानूनी व्यवस्थाएं बनाई जाएगी।
बहुत जल्दी लव जिहाद का कानून कैबिनेट के अंदर आने वाला है और कैबिनेट के बाद में वो मध्य प्रदेश की विधानसभा में जो 28, 29, 30 को सत्र है, उस सत्र के अंदर मध्य प्रदेश विधानसभा में हम लेके आने वाले हैं। वो संस्थाएं जो इनमें शादी कराती हैं, वो संस्थाएं जो दान देती हैं, जो दान लेती हैं, उन सबका भी रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल करने का प्रस्ताव इसमें विचाराधीन है।
And listen in to what some legal experts exclusively told India Today on the love jihad law.
Conversion per force, conversion with any of those elements which I enumerated earlier, like coercion, allurement, inducement, threat, or deceit, or whatever it is. Any act or any consent secured by such elements is no consent by an adult. You see, there are two important things. Number one is that the consent has to flow from an adult. If you are not an adult, you have consent is no consent in law. If you are an adult, then your consent has to be free from all these elements. And if the consent is not free from or is suffering from any of these elements, then that consent is no consent in the eyes of law. And therefore, even in the absence of this new law, asking anybody to agree to marry or agree to convert or agree to deliver or agree to abstain from doing something is itself an offense.
When we examine any legal proposition, when we examine the constitutionality of any legal provision, we look at it from 2-3 perspectives. One, the constitutionality. One, does it come within the domain of the legislature? Is it within the power? Does it infringe any fundamental rights? Does it infringe any other violation of law that we can contemplate? If we can't, how and where the implementation will be will vary from case to case on a fact-to-fact basis. Simply because by anybody saying, and even you, for example, saying, Rahul, that there was misuse in any given case doesn't lead to the law being good or bad.
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.